Conquer the Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Exam with Exams4Sure's powerful dumps. Your path to success in Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Certification. How to empower your Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud Consultant journey with Exams4Sure's practice dumps. What you need to know. Exams4Sure is your trusted partner for exam preparation, empowering individuals and organizations to achieve their certification goals. With proven expertise and a track record of success, we've helped countless candidates conquer challenging exams like the Salesforce Certified Nonprofit Cloud Consultant, WI-24. What is Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Exam? The Salesforce Certified Nonprofit Cloud Consultant, WI-24, certification validates your expertise in designing, implementing, and managing Salesforce nonprofit cloud solutions for nonprofits. It demonstrates your ability to understand the unique needs of nonprofits and configure Salesforce to optimize fundraising, grant management, program delivery, and constituent engagement. Earning this certification can boost your career prospects and help you make a bigger impact in the nonprofit sector. Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Exam Retake Policy. You get 3 tries per release cycle, winter, spring, summer, to pass the Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Exam. 24-hour wait between attempts within a cycle. Retake fee is $100. No specific wait mentioned after using all 3 attempts in a cycle. Why choose Exams4Sure for Nonprofit Cloud Consultant Exam Preparation? Effectiveness. Exams4Sure significantly improves candidates' chances of passing the exam by providing realistic practice questions and comprehensive study materials. The practice questions are highly realistic and closely aligned with the actual exam format, ensuring candidates feel confident and well prepared on exam day. Exams4Sure materials offer clear and helpful explanations for incorrect answers, aiding in understanding and reinforcing key concepts. Comprehensiveness. Exams4Sure covers all essential topics and objectives tested in the exam, leaving no stone unturned in candidates' preparation. The materials provide diverse types of practice questions, including multiple choice, scenario-based, and interactive exercises, ensuring thorough exam readiness. Content is regularly updated to reflect any changes in the exam format or syllabus, ensuring candidates have access to the latest information. Credibility. Exams4Sure boasts a stellar reputation with numerous positive reviews from past users, attesting to the effectiveness of its materials. Practice questions are developed by subject matter experts intimately familiar with the exam content, ensuring accuracy and relevance. The company offers guarantees and money-back policies, demonstrating confidence in the quality of its products and commitment to customer satisfaction. Value for money. Exams4Sure offers competitive prices compared to other options in the market, providing excellent value for candidates' investment. Different packages and subscriptions are available to cater to varying needs and budgets, ensuring accessibility for all candidates. Discounts and promotional offers are frequently available, allowing candidates to maximize value without compromising quality. Guarantees and support. We've got you covered. 100% exam passing assurance with money-back guarantee and 90 days free updates. Service customer support, dedicated customer support team available to answer your questions and guide you through your journey. Free demo. You can download free demo PDF or check web sample questions online for free. Ready to conquer your Salesforce nonprofit cloud consultant journey? Start your free trial today and download free demo. Unlock your full potential and claim your limited time discount. Thank you very much for watching.